Hey guys, me again. I'm at the same spot where I made that last video talking about my friend that was in the car crash. Anyway, enough about that. Um, this video is about uh what happened in the other video. I'm not sure. Um, I was standing like right here. Yeah, like right here. Then I told you about all of it anyway. So yeah, I was telling you about all that stuff, and then like right when like before, like I pointed at my dog, he was like right there, and then I heard like I watched my own video before I put it on YouTube, and I heard this strange sound like music, like scary music. Um, I don't know if it's my audio or something, if it's kind of cut off, but I'm gonna tell me, like comment to me if you hear it again in this video, and I'll try and see if it's just my audio or if it was something real. And then like I saw like two black things like go across my head like on the left side. They're just like flying. And yeah, so we'll take a look at that and tell me if you hear it, the sound again. Just be I think I'm not sure why that happened. Maybe because I was talking about it and it's already passed on or something. Anyway, I guess they wouldn't be me too. Rocky, come here. They want to be on YouTube, but you can see them anyway. Who cares? Some people passing by. Anyway, that's what I would just talk about. Right now. Huh. You hear my neighbors over there. Rocky, get over here. Come here. Huh, yeah, they want to be in the video. I almost tripped. I wear these shoes because they're, I don't know, fancy. Well, not fancy because they're dirty and all, like, messed up. And I don't like to wear socks when I just automatically slip into them. So, yeah. Uh, yeah, you didn't need to see that as my dog doing something. Anyway, yeah. They're playing basketball or something. I don't know. Anyway, yeah. Tell me if you hear that again, and if you see that again. And I thought when I paused my video, like on like like on those images where like the video like goes like records and stuff, that it'll show these images like what'll pop up next in the video. I saw like a line like on the top of my trailer going like kind of like that, and like across my trailer like on top of that, and then I saw like a damn the sun. Um, those trees. Crap, I can't see. Those these two trees. I saw like a line going like that and connecting to these wires, but going a little bit past it up to the clouds and leading up to nowhere. It was weird. Well, not weird, but it was kind of going freaky at the same time. I'm not sure if I was being haunted or I was kind of possessed there by a second. Rocky, you have a sticker on your paw. Well, yeah, that's about it. Rate, comment, subscribe, whatever you feel. Uh, yeah, I have another channel, X Dark Demon. I'm sure you've seen a couple of those videos. I know they suck a little bit. Yeah, I don't know why I made two of the GTA videos. I'm sorry for that. I tried to delete one of them, but I can't because my computer doesn't work that good. It's slow, and it just wastes my time. Yeah, I know I don't do anything, but that's how bad it is. Like it wastes the time that I'm not doing anything. I know that doesn't make sense, but it just does. Anyway, yeah. Feel free to leave anything in the comment box below the video. I will add some stuff in the description. Um, I will be sure to make a gaming video about Black Ops 2. I got that unexpectedly on Christmas when I asked for Black Ops, the first one. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with both of them. And I figured why not just get like sequels to them since I already had the second one. So yeah, I'll give me a video about that. Another one, a multiplayer. I did that video, if you remember. I did a video about that guy that kind of yelled a little bit, and he wasn't raging like hell, but at the end he was. You can hear him because I use my Turtle Beach headsets, and I don't have that thing where you can hear the gamers in the video. Yeah, I don't have a PVR or whatever. I think that's what it's called. That you can record people like from your TV onto your video. So yeah, you see on YouTube a lot of people do that, like Merc Music or Minnesota Burns. I don't know what to call him because he's changed his name twice like me. Anyway, I'd rather just leave Angels Here as my real name. Yeah, you already know that. You don't know what my nickname is or where I live. You just know where my backyard is. You know what it looks like. That's my tree. It fell apart, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, yeah, just view this video. If just please like this video if you ever come across to it. That's about it. Peace, guys. This video's a little bit longer, and say bye, Rocky. Yeah, he's stretching. That was his goodbye. Anyway, yeah. Peace out.